Here at Gogo, we're customer driven. We're customer centric. Their requirements mean everything to us. And if we're not meeting the customer's expectations, then we're not meeting our goals.
We put an extensive amount of time into testing the reliability of our system.
We take the hardware into our environmental lab, test like we fly. We expose the hardware to the full range of DO-160 requirements, therefore ensuring that the customers will have a safe and reliable product to install on the airplane.
Our qualification testing far exceeds typically what commercial aviation does. You know, we're talking about hundreds of tails versus maybe a couple dozen.
I have seen very few companies that have a suite of test equipment in their environmental lab as we do. It costs a lot of money to put a lab like this in place. It costs a lot of money to maintain a lab of this size.
It allows us to harden our products and our designs, and it gives the FAA a vote of confidence.
We do a variety of vibration testing that gives our customers the biggest flexibility in installing this product. Once that hardware is put together, I'm going to shake it. I'm going to submit it to as much stress that I can that gives our customers the biggest flexibility to install that piece of equipment in the front of the airplane or in the back of the airplane. It'll always be safe, it'll always be reliable.
The EMI testing that we do in-house is Section 21 of RTCA DO-160, which is listening to the emissions or the amount of RF energy emanating from the box. This emissions can actually disrupt any number of the aircraft's functions. So you want to ensure that that box is not putting off more electrical energy than what the FAA deems as an appropriate level.
We have a thermal lab that allows us to test the equipment down to minus 55 degrees, all the way up to 85 degrees per DO-160. There's situations where our LRUs are being installed in the nose cone of the airplane. It's not pressurized, it's not temperature controlled. Flying at 55,000 feet, it gets really cold. When that airplane lands in Florida, where it's hot and humid, water's going to start pooling up on that LRU really quickly. We got to make sure that it doesn't fail. Our engineers take great pride in the work that they perform. They design the hardware, they test the hardware. Performance and reliability go hand in hand. If we have a reliable product, it'll perform as expected.
Having these tools and having these resources in-house allows us to be more innovative.